Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your GitHub username. Whether you're rebranding yourself or simply want a fresh start, this process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials to access your account. This is the starting point for making any changes to your GitHub profile settings. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile avatar. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This is your control center for managing all aspects of your GitHub account, from security to notifications to profile details. Once you're in the settings area, look at the left sidebar where you'll find various categories. Click on Account. This section contains all the fundamental settings related to your GitHub identity, including your username, which is what we're here to change today. Now, within the Account section, you'll see an option labeled Change Username. Go ahead and click on it. This action will take you to a new page where GitHub will provide some important information about what happens when you change your username, such as how it affects your repositories and existing links. On this page, you'll need to acknowledge that you understand the implications of changing your username. Click the button that says, I understand, let's change my username. This confirmation step ensures you're aware that changing your username will redirect old references to your new username automatically, but it's still an important decision. Finally, you'll see a field where you can enter your new username. Type in the username you want to use going forward, making sure it follows GitHub's username requirements and isn't already taken by another user. Once you've entered your desired username, click Change My Username to finalize the process. And that's it. Your GitHub username has been successfully updated, and you can now use your new identity across the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.